Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom there was a princess named Lara who was kind and gentle. Although she was a princess, she was forgotten by her people, as the kingdom was vast and the villagers were busy with their daily chores. One night, Princess Alara gazed out of her window and wished for friends who would remember her and share in her joys and sorrows. Upon seeing a shooting star, she made a wish for companionship. The next morning, she decided to venture into the village disguised as a commoner to meet her people. As she walked through the village, she was captivated by the laughter and chatter of the children playing in the square. Bravely, she approached them and asked if she could play too. The children welcomed her with open arms, and soon they were all laughing and playing games together. As the sun began to set, Princess Alara realized she had made wonderful friends who saw her for who she truly was, not just as a princess. From that day on, Alara visited the village often, each time forming deeper bonds with the villagers. The once forgotten princess was forgotten no more, for she had found a place in the hearts of her people. And so Princess Alara and the villagers lived happily, cherishing the friendships that brought joy and warmth to everyone's lives. The kingdom was no longer just a place, but a home filled with love and laughter, and the forgotten princess was at the center of it all, her heart full and content. Good night, sleep tight, and remember, true friendship can always light up the darkest nights.